Okay, here's my Estes Crossfire built right out of the bag. Little crushed tube there, but I could fix that, not a big deal. So the fins have been sanded, glued on, no treatment. This is going to be my thinned out Testors putty. Basically about, I don't know, 0.5 ounces to a full tube of this in there. And then mix it up with some thinner from Randolph, just as butyrate thinner. You can use SIG if you like. SIG's thinner would also work. Mix it up, and then I add, once it's all mixed, I add more thinner until it's filled to the top. So just like the original Aerogloss Balsa Fillercote, this wants to settle. So you have to stir it really good. Doesn't take much. It's really liquidy, just like the old Aerogloss stuff. Good thing about that, I just use a little brush. But the good thing is it evaporates real quick. So it doesn't run, doesn't make a mess. Get close as I can to the fillets. They've dried for a night. I've never had an issue with it. I know people talk about issues with it, and never had an issue using dope with my Elmer's glue fillets. Anyway, just kind of brush it on. I don't really use a huge brush. Stuff just kind of soaks right in. Doesn't look like it's doing anything, but it is. The good thing is, like I said, a lot of this just evaporates off except for the filler. The filler putty stuff gets into the grain and fills it. Doesn't seal it, by the way. It would be like a balsa sealer, and I think I come close to making that, but this is pretty close to the original Aerogloss Fillercote primer stuff I used to sell. So anyway, that's it. I'll go ahead and do all the fins. I'll let it dry 15 minutes. That's right, 15 minutes, that's it. I mean, pretty much by the time I'm done brushing it on the fins, it's dry like I sand it. So I'll video me sanding it.